We're going to start with metallurgy. Good morning to everyone. First and foremost, what is, like we said that like metals occur in native state or metals occur in combined state. So, occurrence of metals. Number one, free or native state. Metals which are less reactive and do not react with air and water. For example, gold and platinum. These two metals are also called noble metals. The second one is combined state. Metals generally occur in the form of compounds, for example, metal oxides, okay, like bauxite, Al2O3.2H2O, carbonate ore, for instance, zinc carbonate, halides in the form of what you call cryolite, Na3AlF6, and sulfides are there also. What do you understand by the term minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring compounds of various metals associated with their earthly impurities. That means these are compounds which are found in the earth surface, and it is associated with earthly impurities, meaning sand, rocky material, etc. Then ore. What do you understand by the term ore? The naturally occurring minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably and conveniently are called ores. Keep in mind, all minerals are not ores, but all ores are minerals. Are you with me? Now there are some common ores of aluminium, iron and zinc. Bauxite is the principal ore, or you call it chief ore. What is the chemical name? Hydrated aluminium oxide. The chemical formula is Al2O3.2H2O. Cryolite is another ore for aluminium. Sodium aluminium fluoride, Na3AlF6. Corundum is aluminium oxide, which is Al2O3. Now let us move on to ores of zinc. Zinc blende is the chief ore of zinc. Zinc sulfide is the chemical name. The formula is ZnAs. Calamine is zinc carbonate. It is ZnCO3. Zinc-site is zinc oxide, that is ZnO. Some common ores of iron. The chief ore is of course hematite, which is iron 3 oxide. You also call ferric oxide, Fe2O3. Iron pyrites is iron disulfide, FeS2. Magnetite is triferric tetraoxide, which is Fe3O4. So you got to know the name of the chief ores, okay, and its chemical name and formula. Now, extraction of metals. What are the stages involved during the extraction of metal from its ore? First and foremost, you get the ore, you crush and grind the ore. You can turn it into fine powder, which is also very important as far as extraction of aluminium is concerned. You crush and then you grind it, and then you pulverize it also. Second step is concentration of the ore. Concentration of the ore can be done by a number of methods depending on the nature of the ore. For example, gravity separation, magnetic separation, froth flotation method, or chemical method, which is also called leaching. Next, after concentration of the ore, you go for conversion of concentrated ore to its oxide. Now, how that can, you go for either roasting or by calcination. Roasting means you are heating the ore to a high temperature in the presence of air to obtain metal oxide. Similarly, calcination means heating the ore in the absence of air or oxygen to obtain oxide. Finally, you go for reduction of metallic oxides to its metal. Now this, it can be done by using conventional reducing agents like hydrogen, carbon monoxide, or heating with coke. Or you go for electrolytic reduction. Finally, you obtain the metal and then electro-refining of impure metal in order to obtain pure metal. Please revise your lesson and then you can answer the questions given below. Thank you.